Did you know that every year, over 70 million cars are sold worldwide? That's an astonishing number, reflecting the immense scale and reach of the automotive industry. From bustling city streets to serene countryside roads, cars have become an integral part of our daily lives. They're not just a means of transportation, but a symbol of freedom, innovation, and progress. Imagine the sheer variety of vehicles that make up this staggering figure. From compact city cars to luxurious sedans, from rugged SUVs to high-performance sports cars, each one meticulously designed and crafted to meet the diverse needs and desires of people all around the globe. That's a whole lot of metal. The journey of a car begins with raw materials, transformed through cutting-edge technology and skilled craftsmanship into the vehicles we see on the road. The process is a marvel of modern engineering, involving thousands of components and countless hours of labor. From the initial design sketches to the final assembly, every step is a testament to human ingenuity and technological advancement. And when these cars reach the end of their life cycle, they are often recycled, contributing to a more sustainable future. The automotive industry is a fast-paced, exciting world, full of opportunities for those with a passion for cars. Whether you're an engineer, designer, marketer, or entrepreneur, there's a place for you in this dynamic field. Car shows and racing events are just the tip of the iceberg. Behind the scenes, there's a constant drive for innovation, with teams working tirelessly to develop the next big thing in automotive technology. It's a world where creativity meets precision, and where dreams of speed, style, and performance come to life. Have you ever dreamt of building your own car empire? The journey from a simple idea to a thriving business is challenging but incredibly rewarding. It starts with a vision, a unique concept that sets your brand apart. Then comes the hard work of turning that vision into reality, from designing and prototyping to manufacturing and marketing. Along the way, you'll face numerous obstacles, but with determination and innovation, you can overcome them and create something truly remarkable. Of designing sleek sports cars, rugged off-roaders, or maybe even flying cars, the possibilities are endless. The automotive industry is constantly evolving with new technologies and trends shaping the future of transportation. Electric vehicles, autonomous driving, and advanced materials are just a few of the innovations that are transforming the way we think about cars. Imagine a world where cars are not only faster and more efficient, but also smarter and more sustainable. It's an exciting time to be part of this industry with endless opportunities to push the boundaries of what's possible. With automation, that dream is closer than you think. Automation is revolutionizing the automotive industry, making it possible to produce cars more efficiently and with greater precision than ever before. Robotic arms and automated machinery are now common sights in car factories, working alongside human workers to assemble vehicles with incredible speed and accuracy. This not only improves productivity but also ensures a higher level of quality and consistency in the final product. Automation is transforming the way cars are designed, manufactured, sold, and even driven. Advanced software tools allow designers to create and test new concepts in a virtual environment, reducing the time and cost of development. Automated assembly lines streamline the production process, while digital marketing and sales platforms make it easier for consumers to find and purchase their ideal vehicle. And with the advent of self-driving technology, the very act of driving is being redefined, offering new levels of convenience and safety. It's no longer just about robots on a factory floor. The integration of digital tools and advanced technologies is reshaping every aspect of the automotive industry. From supply chain management to customer service, automation is enabling companies to operate more efficiently and respond more quickly to changing market demands. It's about creating a seamless, interconnected ecosystem where every part of the process is optimized for maximum performance. It's about using technology to work smarter, not harder. By leveraging the power of automation and digital innovation, the automotive industry is paving the way for a future where cars are not only more advanced but also more accessible and enjoyable for everyone. So, whether you're a car enthusiast, a tech lover, or an aspiring entrepreneur, the open road awaits you. Embrace the journey and be part of the exciting evolution of the automotive world. Imagine a world where you can design a car on your computer and have it built and ready to drive in a matter of days. That's the power of automation. Automation helps car entrepreneurs like you overcome challenges and achieve your goals faster. It can help you design and develop new cars more efficiently, manufacture cars with higher quality and precision, Reach more customers with targeted marketing, provide better customer service and support, and manage your business operations more effectively. Starting any business is tough, and the car industry is no exception. Competition is fierce, and customers are demanding. Some common challenges include high startup costs. Building cars requires significant investment in factories, equipment, and skilled labor. Rapid technological advancements. The car industry is constantly evolving, so you need to stay ahead of the curve. Changing customer preferences. What's hot today might be outdated tomorrow, so understanding your market is crucial. Government regulations, meeting safety and environmental standards is essential. Don't let these challenges discourage you. In today's fast-paced world, staying ahead of the competition can seem daunting, but fear not, because automation is here to revolutionize the way you work and help you reach new heights. Imagine a world where repetitive tasks are handled with precision, freeing up your time to focus on innovation and growth. This is not a distant dream, it's happening right now. Automation is here to help you overcome them. From manufacturing to customer service, automation tools are transforming industries across the globe. By integrating advanced automated systems, businesses can streamline their operations, reduce costs, and improve overall efficiency. The future is automated, and it's time to embrace it. Let's explore some key automation tools and techniques: computer-aided design and simulation. These tools allow engineers to create detailed models and run simulations to test their designs before any physical prototypes are made. This not only saves time and money but also ensures that the final product is of the highest quality. Design and test your cars virtually before building them, saving time and money. Virtual design and simulation software enable you to visualize and refine your ideas in a digital environment, catching potential issues early in the process. This leads to more innovative and reliable products, giving you a competitive edge in the market. Robotics and automation in manufacturing. These technologies are revolutionizing the production process. Robots can handle repetitive tasks with precision and consistency, reducing the risk of human error and increasing productivity. This allows human workers to focus on more complex and creative tasks, driving innovation and growth. Robots can handle repetitive tasks with precision, ensuring that each product is made to exact specifications. This level of accuracy is crucial in industries where quality and consistency are paramount. By automating these tasks, businesses can achieve higher standards and meet customer expectations more effectively, improving efficiency and reducing errors. Customer relationship management software manage customer interactions, track leads, and provide excellent service. CRM systems help businesses stay organized and responsive, ensuring that no opportunity is missed and that customers receive the best possible experience. Gain insights from customer data. Data analytics tools allow businesses to analyze vast amounts of information, uncovering trends and patterns that can inform strategic decisions. By understanding customer behavior and preferences, companies can tailor their offerings to meet demand and stay ahead of the competition. To make informed decisions about your business. With the power of data analytics, you can identify opportunities for growth, optimize your operations, and make data-driven decisions that propel your business forward. Embrace automation and let it guide you to success. Section 5. Streamlining sales and marketing, a well-oiled machine. In today's fast-paced automotive industry, staying ahead of the competition requires more than just innovative car designs and cutting-edge technology. It demands a seamless integration of sales and marketing strategies that work together like a well-oiled machine. Automation isn't just for the factory. While we often associate automation with the production line, its benefits extend far beyond manufacturing. It can supercharge your sales and marketing efforts, making them more efficient and effective. Imagine having the power to reach potential customers with pinpoint accuracy, delivering the right message at the right time. Here's how. First, targeted online advertising. This isn't just about placing ads on websites, it's about using data to understand your audience's preferences and behaviors. By leveraging advanced analytics, you can create highly personalized ad campaigns that resonate with your target market. Reach the right customers with ads tailored to their interests. Second, marketing automation platforms. These platforms allow you to streamline your marketing efforts by automating repetitive tasks. Automate email campaigns, social media posts, and other marketing tasks. This not only saves time but also ensures consistency in your messaging. Third, e-commerce platforms. In the digital age, having an online presence is crucial. Sell your cars online, making it convenient for customers to buy from anywhere in the world. An e-commerce platform allows you to showcase your inventory, provide detailed information, and facilitate transactions seamlessly. Lastly, customer data analysis. Understanding your customers is key to delivering personalized experiences. By analyzing customer data, you can gain insights into their preferences, buying patterns, and feedback. This information can be used to tailor your marketing strategies, offer personalized promotions, and improve customer satisfaction. In conclusion, integrating automation into your sales and marketing processes can transform your business into a well-oiled machine, driving growth and success in the competitive automotive industry. Section 6. Efficiency is king reigning supreme in the workshop. Even your workshop can benefit from automation. Think about computerized diagnostic tools to identify and diagnose car problems quickly and accurately. Automated parts ordering systems to ensure you always have the right parts in stock. And digital scheduling and appointment reminders to streamline your operations and improve customer satisfaction. Section 7. Tesla, a success story driven by automation. Looking for inspiration? Look no further than Tesla. Tesla, the electric car giant, has embraced automation in every aspect of its business. From its highly automated factories to its innovative use of software and data analytics, Tesla has shown the world what's possible in the future of car manufacturing. Section 8. Driving your dream car, empire to success. Building a car empire is a journey, not a destination. Embrace automation, stay curious, and never stop learning. Here are some key takeaways. Automation is not just about robots, it's about working smarter. Embrace technology to overcome challenges and achieve your goals. Focus on customer needs and provide exceptional experiences. And never stop innovating and pushing the boundaries of what's possible. Section 9. Join the conversation. Your dream car journey starts now. What kind of car empire do you dream of building? Share your thoughts and ideas in the comments below. And stay tuned for more exciting discussions on how automation is shaping the future of the automotive industry.